got a bag of shredded hash browns here, and then we're gonna make these little kind of like nests. Some thick cut bacon here. Each one of these thick cut pieces, you don't want to use the thin ones because the thin ones will just kind of fall apart. Pop one egg in each little nest. Ooh, that was not the one I expected. Then we're going to do some seasoning. So we got some black pepper, and instead of salt, I'm going to be using some Creole seasoning. Finally, just going to make it look a little pretty with some parsley. And then this is going to go into a 350-degree oven for like 15 minutes. I'm going to add a 2-cup bag of this cheddar jack cheese, the rustic cut. And then this is going to go right back in the oven for just about, I don't know, 10 minutes. Look at these. They look so cute. I'm going to top it with a little green onion. Take this and put it on this plate. This is like a perfect bite, right? Like it's got egg and cheese and bacon. Big bite. Hot. That was hot, but it's delicious.